The Blue-9 has what seems to be quite a few straps. But if you always remember to keep the front strap hooked, even after you take it off, hook it back up. And then when you go to put it on, this is the way it goes on. It's very simple. Thank you. And then you just bring these two under here. Let's move back a little bit. That's it. There you go. Then you bring these two yoked ones back a little bit. And hook them up. That eliminates the confusion. So then when you go to take it off, you just unhook this one, unhook this one. And when you go to unhook this, because it's harder to get it off without unhooking it, you just unsnap and bring it back around and make sure you snap it again. So the next time you go to put it on, it's all ready.